In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to IKEA Credit Card account. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer, phone, or tablet. Once your browser is open, go to the official online account portal for the issuer of your IKEA credit card. Make sure you are using the correct and official website so your account information stays secure. When the page loads, look for the login or sign in option and select it to move to the account access page. On the login screen, enter your login details carefully. This usually includes your username or user ID and your password. Take a moment to type everything correctly, especially if your password is case sensitive. After entering your information, click or tap Sign In to continue. In some cases, you may be asked to complete an extra security verification step. This is normal and helps protect your account. If prompted, complete the security check and enter the verification code sent to your email address or mobile phone. Be sure to enter the code before it expires, since these codes are often time sensitive. Once you successfully log in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your IKEA credit card online. From here, you may be able to view your current balance, check your available credit, review recent transactions, make payments, view statements, and manage account settings. If you're logging in for the first time in a while, it's a good idea to quickly review your account activity so you can confirm everything looks correct. If you forgot your login information, don't worry. On the sign-in page, click the Forgot Username or Password option, then follow the instructions provided on the screen. You may need to verify your identity before you can reset your login details. Once that process is complete, create or recover your credentials and then return to the login page to sign in again. If you are a new cardholder and have not set up online access yet, select Register or Create Online Account instead of logging in. You'll be asked to provide your card information and other personal details to confirm your identity. After that, create your username and password, complete the registration process, and then log into your new account. That's all it takes to access your IKEA credit card account online. Just follow each screen carefully, use the official portal, and keep your login details private for the best account security.